So, failed stars or brown dwarfs. Well, to understand these things, first we have to understand how does a star work. So basically in stars, hydrogen nuclei fuse to form a heavier nucleus. This releases a lot of heat and energy and also makes helium. Because of the heat and energy, the star starts to shine. This is in the case of every star. This also requires a lot of pressure and heat, and this process is known as nuclear fusion. Now, a brown dwarf barely has enough mass to have enough heat in its core to do this, but it does not have enough heat and pressure from its core that it can sustain nuclear fusion. Hence, it is known as a failed star. Now, stars like Sun sustain nuclear fusion for billions of years. Unlike planets, brown dwarfs are formed like stars with multiple gases and a fall of dust and other things. In simpler words, when in space a giant hydrogen gas cloud collapses under its own gravity and starts to become dense, it releases a lot of heat and also light. This is how stars are formed, and so are brown dwarfs. But unlike stars, brown dwarfs do not get enough mass to have enough gravity and heat and pressure in their core to sustain nuclear fusion, and hence they do not shine like their sun counterparts. However, there are three types of brown dwarfs you can see in the chart. Also, failed stars are about 13 to 80 times bigger than Jupiter. So you can stop calling him a failed star, as even though he has a really a like composition like the sun, he is nowhere big enough to be called a failed star. And that was your basic failed star guide. Hope you enjoyed.